I am walking from the radio station. All right, on my way to the Bagsaysay Bridge to well, get out of the Subic Bay Freeport. Yung Stranders Hotel. And yan yung water world na nilakaran ko, as you can see. Yan. The police can't get through. Ayaw tumuloy. Dito kasi hanggang hanggang tuhod. Yan, hanggang tuhod yung tubig. Pero pag isa lang, one hood. Pag dalawa, tuhod. Ayan, come on guys, enjoy the walk with me. Ayan, pagdating dito, medyo pataas dito eh. Oh. So, paahon dito. Wala na yung wala na yung hanggang tuhod na tubig. One hood na lang. Ayan, here we are. Okay, no more water here. Ito yung Casino Filipino. Sabi nga ni Presidente Erap, walang tutulong sa Pilipino kundi Casino Filipino. Wala ng motorcycles parked here dahil ayaw nila makipagsapalaran. They don't wanna take the risk na malubog yung engine ng motor nila. Ito wala namang gaanong tubig. Subic Bay Badminton Court, Badminton Center. I don't play badminton kasi balita ko it's bad for your minton. Now if it's good minton, I might play. And next to it, of course, is what used to be the tennis court. It's now a white sand court for beach volleyball competitions. Yan. Okay, I guess that's it for my walk from the radio station palabas ng Subic Bay Freeport. Wala naman ng tubig dito. I just showed you guys where kung saan yung may tubig na medyo hanggang tuhod, para kung may sasakyan kayo, papunta kayo, iwasan nyo yung daan na yun. Okay, eto Subic Gym na. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Thank you for walking with me. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button. My YouTube channel, DJ Tommy G and Lil Tommy channel. Thank you. Have a pleasant Wednesday, rainy afternoon. Bye-bye.